maanghang yun. Ay, nako. Sino ba yung mayari? DPWH yun.
Kontraktor.
Mga buwaya yan Hey guys, my name's Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around to different parts of the Philippines, eating at local restaurants, practicing my Tagalog at kaonteng Bisaya. Today, we are here in Panglao, Bohol, sa Tawala Street. Tama ba yun? Tawala Street, guys. This is the main road here in Bohol. That's where we ate for yesterday's vlog, Gabriel's Eatery. If you haven't watched that vlog, it was tons of fun. So here guys, you can see lots of traffic. Pero dito ngayon, kakain kami dito sa isang special na karinderya. Sobrang special siya kasi nandito na mismo yung mayari, si Ma'am Bernadette. Kamusta po, ma'am? Okay ba nakakarap kayo ng camera or ayaw nyo lang? Okay lang? O sige, GMA moment nyo ito, ate. Sino ba yung kasama nyo dito?
Kaming dalawa lang, sir.
Anong pangalan nyo?
Bernadette.
Ay, ito si Bernadette. Anong pangalan nyo? Julie. So, kayo yung mayari. Ito yung kasama nyo. Paano ba kayo nagkikilala?
Kaibigan lang.
Ay, kaibigan lang. So, ano pa ba ang pangalan ulit ng karinderya nyo? Yuli's Karinderya at Kainan. So guys, dito kami ngayon. Kakain kami. Anong sikat ngayon? Yung sabi nyo kanina, yung pinakasikat dito is
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express, maanghang.
Yes.
Sige, ito na lang ang gusto ko. Bicol Express kasamang isang kwan ng kanin, isang takip. Tama ba yun? Takal ng kanin. Tapos, karamihan, ano pa yung mga iba't ibang ulam nyo? May adobo ka dito. Adobo ba ito?
Adobong atay.
Adobong atay. Tapos may lumpia, may menudo.
Yes, sir.
Menudo, hindi. Pansit ba ito? Kahit mas malaki yung mga noodle, tawag din pansit. Pansit.
Mickey.
Mickey. Kain ka, kuya. Busy si ate, so hayaan natin siyang magtrabaho. Gusto mo nang akong bahala, ililibre kita. Okay, guys. Pasok tayo dito. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin dito? Tambay lang? Ito yung kaibigan natin from kahapon, yung vlog natin dyan sa kabila ng kalsada. So, meron siyang taxi. Anong pangalan ng taxi service?
Tourist destination.
Tourist destination. Tapos may Facebook page ka ba?
Guys, welcome to my vlog.
Guys, may isa pang vlogger dito. Sige kuya, mag-vlog ka na. Guys,
Diyan lang, hanapin nyo na. Tourist destination Philippines.
Travel Destination Philippines. Dito siya guys sa Bohol, kahit saan sa Bohol.
Anong klaseng sasakyan meron din lahat?
Kahit whale shark, pwede?
Pwede.
Sasakay sa whale shark? Sabi niya kahit anong klaseng sasakyan. Dati meron mga helicopter dito, pero na ngayon wala.
Tayo na yung mayari.
Sino ba yung mayari?
Sa may
DPWH yun.
kontraktor.
Mga buwaya yan joke lang guys. Nasaan ba yung ulam ko? Ay, ito pala. Thank you po. So, ito yung big. Tapos, gaano kaanghang ba siya?
Sakto lang.
Tignan natin. Sakto lang daw.
One rice, sir.
Opo, one rice po. Ano po ba yung inumin nyo?
Soft drinks po.
Ay, anong klaseng soft drinks? Ay, naku, maanghang yun. Uy! Pwedeng isang Sprite? Ay, grabe, talagang maanghang yun. Grabe. Kawawa ko dyan. Ay, guys, ang cute ng Sprite bottle nila. Parang miniature. Kutsara at saka tinador. Ha?
Cowboy ka talaga.
Anong cowboy?
Cowboy. Bakang lalaki.
Parang katulad ng kasabihan namin, what's up, dog? Sa Tagalog, anong itaas aso? Parang nakakagulo naman yun.
Cowboy is, very simple man.
Very simple. So, ibig sabihin ng cowboy dito, talang simpleng-simpleng tao. Hindi OA. Ako yun. Ako yun, simpleng tao. Dito sa karinderya na walang pangalan, we have the Bicol Express na eksakto lang yung kaanghangan dyan, sabi ni ate. Tignan natin. Tignan natin guys.
Mura lang.
Murang-mura lang. Ate, magkano po ba yung ulam nyo dito?
5:30.
25.30? Ang sulit. Grabe no.
Pinakamahal.
Anong sulit sa Bisaya?
Affordable.
Affordable daw ang sulit sa Bisaya, guys. Grabe talaga. Ang hirap ng Bisaya, affordable. Ang hirap. Barato? Barato. Sulit yan. Barato.
Cheaper.
Cheaper. It's cheaper. So masarap pero barato. Ah, okay. Okay. Ha? Oh, sige. Ako ang bahala. Sige. Ako ang bahala sa soft drinks nila. Pero yung miniature lang, hindi ako mayaman. Silang bahala. Kahit yung malaki sa kanila. Kumain na kayo. Ay, sayang. Hindi, sabi nila ulit-ulit yung kakain sila ulit. Nakakatawa yung mga driver dito, guys. We have the...
Salamat kayo!
Ay, walang anuman po, basta kayo. Ate, ano yung pagkakaiba sa Bicol at saka Bicol Express? Mas mabilis ito kasi express siya. Ay, okay. So, guys.
Bicol is a province.
Oh, syempre, pero bakit paminsan-minsan ang tawag nila is Bicol lang, pero Bicol Express?
Mabilis lang siyang gawin.
Ah, sige. Mabilis lang gagawin, guys. Expensive. Karinderya na walang pangalan. Bicol Express. Ni ate, sino ba yung bahala sa pagluluto?
Sir, show.
Nasaan siya?
Bahay namin, sir.
Ay, sa bahay. Ay, okay lang. Nagtataka lang ako. Mauna ba kayo? Sige.
Thank you, yeah.
Sige, guys. Paalam.
Hello, yeah, thank you. Thank you for soft drinks.
Kuya Kurt.
Wala ba itong problema sa LTO? Pag makita ito LTO, tagos lang?
Wala. Bakit? Bakit ba? May problema ba sila? Pero sabi ko sa kanila kanina, kung ilalagay mo ito sa sasakyan, ang ibig sabihin dyan, according to the law, akin na yung sasakyan. Di ba? Bicol Express from Ma'am Yuli at Ma'am Bernadette. Sabi nila maanghang pero eksakto lang. So, tignan natin kung totoo yan. Here we go, guys.
Uy, huwag kang umiyak!
Di pa ako sanay! Ay, nako! Guys, this Bicol Express is very, very good. It's very, very spicy. These guys are so funny. They told me not to cry. Ilalagay mo na? Pwede kong ipakita sa camera. May special moment tayo. Pasensya kuya, masyadong mahirap. Teka, ikaw ang vlogger. Kwentuhin mo yung camera.
Okay, guys.
Ayun, ganito lang.
Yun. Ayun eh.
Okay, guys.
Pag merong LTO, walang huli na yan.
Ito na lang.
Waterproof ba yung sticker mo?
Oh, syempre, waterproof, sunproof, people-proof, bawaya-proof.
Oh.
Ay, wow, guys. Guys,
Sasakyan niya.
hanapin nyo yung sticker para i-hire nyo yung sasakyan na yon.
Yes.
Balik tayo dito. Drivers are so funny. I love eating anytime there's drivers around because they're just like so much fun.
Kuya Kurt, certified masharap.
Katotohanan yon. Ma'am Yuli, gano'ng katagal dito kayo nagbabenta ng pagkain? Isang taon? Kamusta ang business? Sakto lang. Ma'am Yuli, siguro 2 Sprite. Di ko kaya. Guys, the spiciness. The spiciness is getting to me. My mouth feels like I'm on fire. This is what I'm talking about. The meals that you find here in these low-key, inconspicuous carinderias like this. Many times they don't have signage, they don't have tarpaulin, simple eats for people in a hurry. And you heard Ma'am Yuli say that their most expensive ulam is 50 pesos. If you're a foreigner in the Philippines and you want to experience some home-cooked food, not like the restaurant style, actual home-cooked food that people cook for their families, go to a carinderia. It's turo lang, point. You can just point at what you want. Say like an order of this. Ask them what that is. Everybody speaks English here. You can ask them what's the best seller. You can ask them what's their favorite, and you guys will not be disappointed. You'll be participating in the culture. You'll be eating the food locally cooked and sourced. These inconspicuous carinderias like this, they're not on Google Maps, they don't have a sign, they don't have anything other than delicious food. It's the best eats that you can get in the Philippines. And everybody's so worried about food poisoning. I've eaten at over 500 carinderias in the last 18 months here in the Philippines. Never once have I gotten food poisoning.
Uy, iyak-iyak ka ngayon.
Malapit ako umiyak. Umiiyak ako pero galing sa balat lang. But I'm trying to get better at eating spicy foods. What a perfect sized meal. You can get yourself a cup of rice, a delicious ulam, and some fun company. And I guarantee you, if I didn't speak English, or if I didn't speak Tagalog, everyone here would be having just as much fun speaking with me in English, practicing their English, telling jokes. It's one of the great character traits of Filipinos, is they just have a good time almost anywhere they go. Even if their English is limited, it's always a fun time. It's more fun here in the Philippines, guys. we always leave big tips wherever we go. And that's thanks to you guys, from watching the videos to sharing to commenting to liking. So today we're gonna leave Ate with 2,000 pesos, guys. So that's 40 times the cost of the food. So we're gonna leave a nice tip for her and her kasama. This meal cost, with the Sprite, it costs about $1.20 or around 70 pesos. Guys, anong satiated sa Tagalog? Satiated in Tagalog is hindi masyadong nagagutom pero hindi sobrang mabusog. So ano ba yung sa gitna ng busog at saka gutom? Magbayad na naman tayo? Let's go. Okay na. Okay na. Salamat. Ma'am Yulia, makano po yan sa akin po? Yung isang Sprite na baby Sprite, isang rice, yung Bicol Express, tapos yung mga drinks nila, 160. Okay, so may konting sorpresa ako para sa inyo. May 2,000 ako para sa iyo at para sa iyo. Konting tip galing sa mga follower ko ito. Sige na, kunin mo na. Pinapanooran nila yung mga videos ko at binabahagi ko yung mga biyaya na yun sa mga Carinderia Honor, yung staff nila para share the blessing. 1, 2, 3, action! Hello guys, ako si Ma'am Bernadette. Punta kayo dito sa kainan na walang pangalan.
9 a.m. until 6 p.m.
Tapos totoo na naghahanap ka ng agam.
Si Kuya!
Kuya talaga! Oh, sige. Guys, special moment. Wow, guys. Certified mashup yung kainan na walang pangalan. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Sige, thank you, guys. Bye-bye. I love eating with drivers. They're so joyful. And they're always like such jokers. Shout out to all of the Toda, jeepney drivers, lahat ng mga taxi driver, lahat ng mga nagbibigay ng mga biyahe sa ating lahat dito sa bansang Pilipinas, guys. Shout out sa inyong lahat, ang sipag nyo.
Kuya, kurat!
Oh, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay na.
Saan ka pupunta?
Papuntang Alona, South Beach, South Beach.
Malayo ba yun?
Shut up!
Oh, sige.
Sa Bohol!
Ayun!
Torres.
Buong Bohol.
Bohol. Awat!
Kamusta? Gusto mo ng shoutout? Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. I love these vlogs, guys. I'm so blessed to be able to do this for a job. Ah! Oh, of course, kuya! Basta ikaw!
Basta ikaw.
Ito, my shoutout, guys.
Shout out!
Sino gusto mong batiin, kuya? Everyone!
Nabati ko yung ex kong mangloloko.
Ayun, guys! Yung ex, shoutout sa ex niya. Good vibes here in Bohol, guys. If you guys are coming to the Philippines, come to Bohol. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt. Ako si Kuya Kurt. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt kasamang mga marites na ito na nakiraan sa aking harap. Hello po! Thanks, guys. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod. Kita-kits.